Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So you may think to upload your Ghibli photos on Instagram, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can make a Ghibli photos and upload it on Instagram. So to do that, you have to open the ChatGPT if you are using ChatGPT premium version, or if you don't have that, then you can easily make free Ghibli photos by using Grok AI. Grok AI is a similar or alternative of ChatGPT. Just open the any browser of your phone. I'm using my Google Chrome, and right here grok.com. See, this is as similar as ChatGPT. Just upload here your image from your gallery. Just tap on that. Now tap on upload a file. Then tap on files and select the photo which one you want to turn into a Ghibli photos. I want this one. So it's already uploaded, and right here a prompt, turn this image in Studio Ghibli style and just upload it. It will take few seconds and just wait. We have our Ghibli photos. Now click on this save to download this photo. So now open your Instagram app in your phone and then just tap on this plus icon in the bottom center. So if you want to post this as a photo, then go with post, or if you want to post this as reel, then select here reel. I want to go with post, so I'm keeping this as it is. So now just click on these photos, it's already selected, and from here you can set the ratio like this. Okay, I want to go with this style and just tap on this next. Now here you can add music, you can add filter effect, or you can adjust the settings. So after doing all of these things, just tap on this next. Now write your caption here and just simply share this, and after sharing this reel, it will be posted on your Instagram page. So this is how you can easily make Ghibli photos and post it on Instagram. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.